Hello everyone, welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show hidden files and folders in your Windows 10 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the search box and then type in show hidden files and then click on the best match from here. Now in here, if you scroll down a bit, here you can see change settings to show hidden and system files. Now click on show settings from next to it. Now from here, what you have to do is just select this radio box that says show hidden files and folders and drives, and then click on apply and then click on OK, and that should show you the hidden files and folders. Now there is another method, and for that all you have to do is go to the search box again and then type in file explorer options and then click on the best match here again. Now in here, go to the view tab, and here you can see the same options again. So just select this radio box and then click on apply and then click on OK, and that should show you all the hidden files, folders and system files on your Windows 10 computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.